Ever wondered where your favorite chocolate comes from? Let's journey back in time and across continents to unravel this sweet mystery. At the heart of every tantalizing piece of chocolate is the humble cacao tree. This tree, native to the lush rainforest of Central and South America, is the unsung hero of our tale. Its fruit, the cocoa pod, houses the precious cocoa beans, the raw material of our treasured treat. But transforming these beans into the smooth, creamy chocolate we adore is no simple feat. Once harvested, the beans are fermented, a process that kickstarts their transformation. Over several days under the tropical sun, the beans ferment and develop the complex flavors we associate with chocolate. After fermentation, the beans are dried, their moisture reduced, enhancing their flavor further. The next step in our bean-to-bar journey is roasting. This process, much like roasting coffee, helps to bring out the rich, deep flavors hidden within the beans. Once roasted, the beans are ground, producing a thick, velvety liquid known as chocolate liquor. This is the base for all chocolate products. But our story doesn't stop there. Let's travel back in time to the ancient Maya and Aztec civilizations. To them, chocolate wasn't just a food, it was a sacred beverage, a drink of the gods. They would grind cocoa beans and mix them with water, spices, and sometimes even chili, creating a frothy, bitter drink far removed from the sweet treat we know today. This revered beverage was often used in religious ceremonies, a far cry from our habit of indulging in a chocolate bar as a mid-afternoon snack. From a sacred beverage to a worldwide delicacy, the journey of chocolate is indeed fascinating. As we unwrap our next chocolate bar, let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey it's been on, from a tiny cocoa bean on a cacao tree in a far-off rainforest to a beloved treat enjoyed by millions around the globe. But how does this magical transformation from a simple bean to a delicious chocolate bar occur? Let's dive into the fascinating journey of cocoa beans, the unsung heroes behind every chocolate bar. First stop, fermentation. The beans, encased in a sweet white pulp, are scooped out from the cacao pods and left to ferment. This fermentation process is key to developing the bean's flavor profile. Over the course of several days, the beans undergo a transformation, their flavor deepening, their color darkening. Next, the beans are laid out to dry under the sun. This is a crucial step to stop the fermentation process and to prepare the beans for their upcoming roast. The beans bask in the sunlight, their moisture content reducing, their aroma intensifying. Once dry, the beans are ready for their hot date with the roasting machine. Roasting is where the magic happens. The heat awakens the flavors within the beans, coaxing out the rich, complex notes we associate with chocolate. The beans are then cracked open to reveal the cocoa nibs, the heart and soul of chocolate. Then the nibs embark on a grinding journey. The friction and heat from grinding transform the nibs into a smooth, liquid chocolate. This process is what gives chocolate its velvety texture. Finally, we arrive at the different types of chocolate. Dark chocolate, the purist's choice, contains a high percentage of cocoa and little to no milk. Milk chocolate, on the other hand, has less cocoa and more milk, resulting in a creamier, sweeter taste. And then there's white chocolate, which contains no cocoa solids at all but is made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk. Each type has its own unique charm and flavor, catering to different chocolate preferences. So the next time you bite into your favorite chocolate, remember the journey it has taken from a humble bean. From the fermentation stage to the final product, it's a delicious journey of transformation. Each step is a testament to the craft and care that goes into creating the chocolate we love. Enjoy your chocolate and appreciate the journey that every cocoa bean has taken to bring you that moment of joy. Fast forward to today, and our love affair with chocolate continues unabated. Our journey brings us to the present day, where chocolate has ascended from a sacred ceremonial beverage to a global sensation. It's found in every corner of the world, adored by people of all ages, and has embedded itself into every facet of our culinary culture. Picture this: a warm chocolate chip cookie fresh from the oven, gooey and melting, its sweetness dancing on your tongue. Or a rich, decadent chocolate cake, layers of pure indulgence that melt away the worries of the world with each bite. And let's not forget the comforting embrace of a steaming mug of hot chocolate on a chilly winter night. From desserts to beverages, chocolate has found its way into our hearts and our kitchens. But the versatility of chocolate doesn't stop at sweet treats. It has also ventured into the realm of savory. Think about a classic Mexican mole sauce, where chocolate adds a depth of flavor that is both unexpected and delightful. And while we're on the topic of chocolate, let's not forget about its healthier cousin, dark chocolate. This bittersweet delight is packed with antioxidants believed to help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. But remember, like with all good things in life, moderation is key. So whether you prefer your chocolate in a cake, a candy bar, a hot drink, or even in a savory dish, there's no denying the magic of this versatile treat. It's a global phenomenon, a universal language of indulgence that brings us all together. From being a revered beverage in ancient civilizations to becoming a beloved treat in our modern world, chocolate has journeyed through time, evolving and adapting. Yet its essence remains unchanged. It's a source of comfort, a symbol of luxury, a treat that delights, and a tradition that unites. From the ancient civilizations to our modern world, chocolate has truly stood the test of time. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick recap of our chocotastic journey. We've journeyed through the lush rainforests of Central and South America, where the story of chocolate begins with the humble cacao tree. We've discovered the magical transformation of cocoa beans through fermentation, drying, roasting, and grinding into the chocolate we know and adore. We've traveled back in time to the ancient Mayan and Aztec civilizations, where chocolate was a sacred beverage, sipped during solemn rituals, and flavored with exotic spices. We've also explored chocolate's sweet evolution in today's world, from a revered drink of the ancients to a beloved treat enjoyed globally. Chocolate is more than just a tasty indulgence. It's a testament to the rich tapestry of human history and the universal love for a little sweet delight. So, next time you savor a piece of chocolate, you'll have a little more to appreciate about this tantalizing treat. Keep enjoying the sweetness of life, one chocolate bar at a time.